Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Bitcoin has reacted to the key level that I mentioned in the last video, and actually it's following the downside trend quite nicely. We had a reaction to the upside here a few days ago after the price broke out of a descending wedge. I've taken that wedge shape off the chart now. I try to keep the chart as clean as possible. We've then seen that healthy wave 4 correction that I wanted to see, and at least the wave 4 has now topped. And we're now likely in this wave 5 to the downside. The wave 5 would likely unfold as an ABC structure. So I'm going to zoom in now. Just want to show you the bigger picture first before we do that. And quick reminder, this is only an intraday update. In the last video yesterday, I also took a look at the daily chart in case you're interested in that, and also Bitcoin dominance. But in this video here, we only want to take a look at the intraday movements because there is no change. Literally, it's just that the proposed wave count and roadmap is currently being followed. The idea is, oh, I forgot to mention the relevant levels here. So that as long as we're holding 62,540, it is possible that we are in a B wave pullback of a third wave. What I will do, I'll probably take out this because we had the idea that maybe the B wave already bottomed here. But I said to you, this needs to be proven. I'm leaning towards orange first. But because white is better to read on this background, I will probably for the next video just swap them, okay? Because I'm following the orange scenario, the orange micro count basically, in which we haven't seen the low yet. And that one more low from the resistance area should follow. It seems to be going that way. But just want to share, it is technically possible that a low formed already, but far less likely. Overall, if you look at this, the price has really just since the 14th of June for 1 week now just been moving sideways. Has done a good job to take all these stops out, up and down. And it is likely that we get one more low, okay? Now, I think it's worth understanding it in a way that, you know, we are still in a downtrend, right? We're in a local downtrend that started here on the 7th of June. So against that top, we are following lower lows and lower highs. And even if I say that, yeah, the next low could be the last one because it would be wave 5 of this local downtrend, there is no low until we see a first impulse to the upside. But I think it could be reasonable to look for some long positions down here to possibly trade the C wave, or at least for a larger bounce. Now, of course, it's not worth being too aggressive then until we have a clear low in place. My view, because there is a chance that we're actually in the yellow count, which would send us back into the lower support region. So I will only maintain the view that we are in the orange count as long as we're holding above 62,540. But the mindset and the attitude is here very important, okay? It's about the 62,540 level is only a pivot. We need to see how the price reacts to it. I cannot tell you beforehand that support will hold or not, but it's the level where probabilities shift from the let's say the direct upside wave count towards the move to the downside. Now, from a practical point of view, nothing changes because we have no low in place anyway, so we focus on lower. It's just that there is a chance for a reversal after the next low. Now, there was a chance here. There's always a chance. It's just about probabilities here. The wave count wasn't clearly finished. If we get one more low, the wave count is actually finished of this micro pattern to the downside. So we had this corrective rally into resistance. We've seen a reaction to the 100% extension level and our resistance area. I will take that 100% extension level out now. We don't need that. The idea is now that we're moving down in an ABC structure. So that resistance area will remain relevant for now, okay? It will remain relevant for now. And we can see that, or say that against today's high, the focus could be on lower. But now from this area, it's likely that a B wave corrective rally starts and then a C wave down could follow. And that would complete wave 5 of C of B. So if you're wondering, this fifth wave should be an ABC structure. Yeah, because also here, the third wave is an ABC. Actually, I need to change the wave degree. But yeah, that's the idea. And the B wave should stay below the intraday high. That's how I see this at the moment. And there is now a bit of support here in this region where the previous swing low was. and this swing low. So I think it's a good chance to start the B wave now, which would again be an ABC structure itself. That's the update about Bitcoin. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.